Hey guys, today I will be showing you another candy so sweet today, and this time it's from Turkey, but I think it says that it was made in Turkey anyway, but those are vegan friendly candy so sweet, so it's gummy sticks and sour gin. The first one is The first flavor is watermelon and cherry. And the second one is strawberry lemon flavor. So let's try the watermelon cherry flavor first. I think it's kinda easy to I think it's a little more easy than the previous one. But we will see. There we go. There we go. It's fine, but here's for what this test looks like. So let's try and dip it. Ooh, slimy. It's fine. I'm trying to see what it looks like, but it's kind of difficult to see when there. So I think it's okay, but by the way, you can have this one. Well, it's not the best eater, but it's okay. A better package than the previous. So yeah, I hope it's also fine this one. I accidentally it was supposed. There, here's what this looks like. Strawberry name and flavor. So this is what this looks like. So let's dip it. It's good too, but not the best eater. But it's fine too. Kinda cool too, to be honest. Sorry about the camera. So and sorry about my news too. But it was my camera of my computers. But anyway, that's all for today. And tomorrow I will be showing you as usual another DVD unboxing. But maybe I won't be showing you another DVD unboxing on Thursday. But it's because I will be on vacationing or having a holiday on Monday and Thursday. So we will see how we will see when I'm coming home on Thursday. We will see when. because I don't know when. So, so if I couldn't make it, then I would just make another DVD unboxing on Wednesday instead if so. But usually I'm only making DVD unboxing videos on Thursday. So but tomorrow I will be showing you. But and more candies and sweets. I don't know when I'm gonna to showing you. But we will see. But I'm taking a break from showing snacks or drinks videos. So thanks for watching and see you later. Bye.